Many people are scared of rats, mice, and how they should be. Rodents carry a lot of diseases, can do a lot of damage to farms and crops, and they're filthy creatures that spread more than their share of bacteria. With all these reasons to be scared, it's no wonder that so many people are afraid of these pesky animals. There are a lot of things that can be done to get rid of rats. The most common way is to poison them, but this has the risk of contaminating food and water supplies. Not only is it harmful to humans but also to animals. Another option is trapping them with glue traps, which may not be as effective on some rat populations. Another option for trapping rats is using glue traps. While this may be effective on some rat or mouse populations, there is the possibility that some rodents will not get caught. Additionally, these traps can be harmful to animals if they come into contact with them. Mice and rats are among the most feared creatures on Earth for invading our homes. They can be found in the sewers, parks, and even your backyard, and their numbers are increasing due to urbanization and deforestation. Read on to discover why people are so scared of rats and mice. How do rats and mice transmit diseases? Rats and mice can transmit diseases through their urine, feces, and saliva. They can also spread disease by biting people or by coming in contact with food or water that has been contaminated with their droppings. Some of the most common diseases carried by rats and mice include the bubonic plague, rat bite fever, hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, and leptospirosis. What damage do rats and mice do in houses? In addition to poisoning your food and perhaps ruining your walls and furnishings, mice and rats may rip apart numerous elements of your home, causing damage such as 1. Electrical appliances that have been ruined as a result of chewing through wiring and insulation. 2. Holes in furniture are caused by mice and rats wanting to make a comfortable nest in your house. 3. Family valuables and vital documents can be chewed up. The more undisturbed or tucked away a place or object appears to be, the more likely a mouse or rat would perceive it as a safe and cozy home. Is it normal to be scared of rats and mice? Yes, it is normal to be scared of rats and mice. Especially if you've had a bad experience with them. These creatures are known for carrying diseases, so it's natural to feel uneasy around them. In addition, rats and mice can be very destructive, chewing through walls and wires. They are also known for their destructive behavior, nesting habits, and difficulty getting rid of. If you have a rat or mouse infestation in your home, it's important to take action quickly. What do you do if you are scared of rats and mice? If you're scared of rats and mice, there are a few things you can do to feel more comfortable. 1. Determine the source of your concern. Consider where your fear originated. It might have been triggered by a specific, traumatic occurrence with a rat or mouse, or you could have a lot of knowledge about the hazards of rats and mice. 2. Determine whether you have a fear or a phobia. Fear is a frequent emotional reaction to a threat, whether it is genuine or imagined. Fear is something you will most likely be able to conquer with some effort and maybe the assistance of others. Phobias, on the other hand, generate overwhelming terror and dread when presented with the object of your anxiety. Consider the symptoms you experience when confronted with a rat or mouse, as well as how rodents, or the prospect of rats and mice, may be affecting your life. Even if you don't see any actual rodents, you may find yourself avoiding areas or circumstances where they may be present. 3. Find out more about rats and mice. Rats and mice are intriguing critters with a long history with humans. There are undoubtedly negative consequences, such as disease propagation. Rats, on the other hand, make excellent pets since they are gregarious and clever. Furthermore, rats and mice are often utilized in labs for psychological and pharmacological testing to better understand people. 4. Make an appointment to see a therapist. Fear of rat or mouse exposure may become too overwhelming and begin to take over your life. If this is the case, seek out a therapist to talk about your fear and get you additional therapy. 5. Take steps to prevent them from coming into your home. You can do this by sealing up cracks and holes in your home, keeping your yard clean and free of debris, and putting food away in airtight containers. Try to get rid of them from your home or property. If you have a rat or mouse infestation in your home, it's important to take action quickly. Here are a few tips for getting rid of them. 1. Try to find their entry point and seal it off. 2. Use traps or rodent poison to kill the rats or mice. 3. Clean up any food or water. 4. Call a professional exterminator. Rodent Exterminator provides the top pros in Los Angeles to assist you with a wide range of services. We promise excellent results in a rodent-free environment. Please contact us, 213-431-0890. It is natural to be scared of rats and mice because they carry diseases, can destroy your home with their chewing capabilities, and are generally unpleasant animals. Rats and mice also transmit many diseases through their droppings, urine, saliva, and fur, which makes them an even more undesirable animal to have around. It is critical to act soon if you have a rat or mouse infestation.